Welcome students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kudayeshwar Smart Academy. And today I am going to discuss one important topic of Sanskrit. It is Nibandha Lekhanam, essay writing. So which things you have to keep in mind? Listen very well. See here, some topics are given. निबंधलेखनार्थं निर्दिष्टाः विषयाः टॉपिक्स टू राइट एस्से. सो मम प्रियः कविः, मम प्रियः खगः, मम प्रियः नेता, मम प्रियः उत्सवः and मम प्रिया भाषा. So very well, these are topics you have to prepare. And certain things you have to keep in mind while writing essay. See, सप्त अष्ट वाक्यात्मकः निबन्धः अपेक्षते, means at least 7 to 8 sentences are expected. Then 3 to 4 शब्दात्मकं वाक्यम् आवश्यकं. त्रीणि चत्वारि शब्दात्मकं वाक्यम आवश्यकम, and in every sentence at least 3 to 4 words must be there. अर्थपूर्णानि वाक्यानि एव गुणाङ्कदानाय गणनीयानि, means which sentences are meaningful. If incomplete sentences are written, then you will not get complete or complete full credit you will not get. If 1 mark is there, 1 mark you will not get, maybe half mark you will get if it is incomplete. But if the sentence is having proper meaning, examiner is able to understand the meaning, then mark will be given. Then प्रतिपाद्यः विषयः केन कारणेन भवतां प्रियः इति लेखितव्यम्, and in that essay that particular topic or that particular object, why do you like that, you have to, or due to which reason you like it, that you must write. And nibandha sopanani anusartavyani. See here, steps are given to write essay. This order must be followed to write proper essay. See, sopana kramaha, order of the steps. First order, shabda sangraha. For example, mama priyaha kavihi you are writing. Then regarding this topic, which words you will need, or which words are suitable or associated to this topic. Very first, immediately recollect those topics. Shabda sangraha means vocabulary. Then second, vishayadhishtitaha prashnaha. Then regarding that particular topic, for example, mam priyaha kavihi only, then certain questions you have to prepare. Then prashnan ansrutya vakyani, and which questions are prepared. Try to get the answers of those questions. So suppose 4 sentences are there, then 4 questions are there, then 5 to 6 sentences you will get to write in the essay. Then uttamaha prarambha samaropaha cha, effective or proper. Arambha means starting or beginning must be there. Even ending also effective. Ending is needed. Proper ending is needed. Sanskrit suktayaha subhashitani, in between or at the beginning you can use certain Sanskrit slogans, appropriate or suitable slogans you can use, or good sayings you can use, subhashitani you can use. In this way that essay becomes effective. And vakyanam uchitaha kramaha. So in this way, some sentences you will get. Then how to arrange the sentences? Regarding that also very well think and properly in proper order arrange the sentences. In this way you will get your essay. Okay. Now see his topic. Now model essay I am going to discuss with you. Suppose the topic is Mama Priyaha Khagaha. See here. Mama Priyaha Khagaha means my favorite bird. Shukaha means parrot. First order Shabda Sangraha means vocabulary, suitable, associated words you have to collect. This is the topic, your favorite bird, parrot it is. So regarding parrot, several words you can get. See, haritaha, color, chanchuhu, beak, raktaha, see, color of the beak, vadati says, it utters na certain sounds, then which fruits it likes. See, dadimam, dadimam, marichika. Then see here, pakshau, uddayate, madhuram, gayati, vruksheshu, viharati, balanam mitraha, children like. Understood, no? Vruksheshu viharati means what? It wanders. Actually, we plus hara means ruhara means to wander, but here flies from one tree to another. Even it sings sweetly, madhuram. It jumps, wings, also beautiful. Then this is your vocabulary. Now Vishayadhishtitaha prashnaha, certain questions prepare in your mind and try to get answers of those questions. Simple questions, simple answers. See, kaha varnaha, what is the color? Then easy answer you will get. Tasya varnaha haritaha, its color is green. Understood? Then regarding its a beak, it is a red in color. Tasya chanchuhu rakta. Then kim karoti, akashe viharati. Akashe viharati, freely it flies in the sky or from one tree to another tree. Okay. Kutra nivasati, see, saha vrukshasya kotare. Kotare means you understood, no? Hollow of the tree. Nivasati, it lives in the hollow of the tree. Hollow means one means actually that place, proper place is created. Understood, no? Certain birds are they actually woodpecker. It with the help of its hard beak only it prepares that hollow. In case of this parrot, I don't know whether parrot prepares the hollow or no. But that hollow, that cavity is prepared actually. And this bird lives in the hollow, in that cavity of the tree. Then kim khadati, see, saha marichika means green chili it likes. Bijapura phalam cha khadati means fruits which are full of seeds it likes very much. Even dadimam, see, dadimam it is full of seeds, na? So dadimam shukaya ativa rochate, see, rocha is there. This dhatu needs chaturthi. Understood, no? So shukaya is there. So parrot likes pomegranate very much. Then Kim karoti, related to this question, see again. Saha madhuram gayati, it sings sweetly. Vithu vithu iti vadati, vithu vithu, actually this is onomatopoeic word, sound similarities there. Which sound it makes, understood, no? That sound we listen like this, vithu vithu. So it utters this word, vithu vithu iti vadati. Okay, these are vaishishtani, we can say, kani vaishishtani, which are the characteristics, features. Okay, and kimartham priyaha, what is the reason, due to which reason you like it very much? Maybe it sings sweetly, or manushya shabdanam anukaranam karoti. Manushya shabdanam means which words human beings utter. This bird repeats those words. Understood? I think this is the speciality of this bird. Maybe due to this reason only people like this bird. Okay. Then prarambha, see, effective beginning must be there. See, so like this you can start. Asmakam sankule naike khagaha drushyanti. In our locality, in our complex, many birds we see. Teshu mama priyaha khagaha shukaha. Among them, my favorite is parrot. Then you can end like this, samaropaha saha ativa manohari. It is so beautiful. And aham shukaya spruhayami. See, spruha again. This dhatu also needs chaturthi only, and that's why I like it. Or actually I like to it. TO2, see, chaturthi, na? So actually 2 is needed there, but I like it means actually 2 is there. Understood, no? We have to consider TO2. And you can start your essay by using this subhashit. See, ashu shabdasya antena kalayaha prathamena cha vihago yo means yaha bhavet tasya varnam shigram nivedaya. Quickly tell its color. Ashu shabdasya antena. Ashu ending letter shu. Ashu shabdasya antena, ending letter of ashu shu. And kalayaha prathamena. Kala starting letter ka. So shuka. Understood, no? Vihago yaha bhavet. Which a bird, or name of which a bird we will get. Understood, no? Varnam shigram nivedaya. Color of that bird, quickly tell. Okay. So like this you have to write the essay. So one essay is given here, model essay. Mama priyaha khagaha shukaha ashu shabdasya. So this is proper order of the sentences. Ashu shabdasya antena kalayaha prathamena cha vihago yo bhavet tasya varnam shigram nivedaya. So kaha eshaha khagaha eshaha shukaha अस्माकं गृहसंकुले नैके खगाः दृश्यन्ते तेषु मम प्रियः खगः शुकः तस्य वर्णः हरितः चञ्चुः च रक्ता सः वृक्षस्य कोटरे निवसति आकाशे स्वेच्छया विहरति सः मरीचिकाः बीजपुरफलं च खादति दाडिमं शुकाय अतीव रोचते सः विठु विठु इति वदति मधुरं गायति च शुकः मनुष्यशब्दानाम् अनुकरणं करोति यथा वयं वदामः तथा एव सः रटति सः अतीव मनोहारी अहं शुकाय स्पृहयामि. So like this you have to write the essay. You have to follow proper order. So again and again see the AV for your better understanding. Okay, bye.